ProRes on the iPhone. There's ProRes on iPhone now. ProRes on iPhone alert, ProRes on iPhone alert. Guys, Apple just announced the new iPhone 13 and 13 Pro, and yeah, sure, it's faster, it's brighter, it has this metal and this glass, blah, 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 but we're not here to talk about that. What really got our hearts pumping was the video capabilities portion. And in this video, we're gonna go over our top 3 features we're most excited about, which includes, spoiler alert, ProRes video. What? What's going on, my little ProResers? My name is Matt and welcome back to Viva Media. Let's get straight into this video and start off with number 3, cinematic mode. Apple claimed that using advanced algorithms and machine learning based on experience from actual DPs and camera ops, that their software can predict and track subjects in frame and adjust focus accordingly. Of course, you can just manually adjust focus on subjects for more creative control, but we can't wait to test out this feature ourselves and see how good the software actually is. Number 2, the all-new macro feature. With the new ultra-wide lens in the new iPhone 13 Pro, Apple claims that you'll be able to focus at a minimum distance of only 2 centimeters. It's like this. I can't even see that close with my own eyes. This is going to open up a whole new way you can shoot things with your phone and change perspective and composition and even what you can shoot. Because when you think wide angle and you think close minimum focus, I think of the Laowa probe lens. Are you telling me that an iPhone can do that kind of thing now? And finally, we come to the number 1 feature that we are most excited for, and that is ProRes video recording. With this, you are going to be able to shoot up to 4K and 30 frames a second in Apple's ProRes codec. Like Apple mentioned, it will open up a whole new way to create videos with a complete end-to-end workflow, because this will now allow you to shoot and edit entirely in ProRes, a professional, uncompressed, industry-standard editing format without skipping a beat. Of course, there's a million other features about the new iPhone 13 Apple wants you to care about, but for us as filmmakers, these features alone are enough for us to upgrade our phones. And once we have it in hand, you know we're going to be doing a full, in-depth review of all these video features and giving you our take on it. As always, thank you for watching. My name is Matt, we are Viva Media, and we will catch you in the next video. I'm gonna go upgrade my phone. I'm in need of a phone upgrade. It's a great phone, but I don't shoot ProRes. I really want ProRes.